really like. Oh well, hello, hi guys. How my big guys are doing? Okay, today we're going to do something very simple, but I guess are going to be so valuable for you right now that you are doing nothing. Okay, come on. We're going to do a window, but it's not just a window. It's a window with a rainy landscape. Oh, how could it be? Pretty simple. Come on. First, I'm going to use my oil pastels. Do you have any? And I'm going to use this brown. It's a light brown. I'm going to trace one, two, three, and four squares here. Four squares together do a simple window. And then I'm going to add some deep blue over here. I'm doing simple lines that are going to be the shade. Look, I'm leaving this blank space over here because you don't want the shade to go very together to this. Okay, here you go. Now I'm going to use maybe a deep madder color, but I don't have it right here, so I'm going to use this dark brown, and I'm going to mix my dark brown with the blue like this. Always you need to take a direction, okay? You cannot just do majo, It's simple. Oh, I had paste here. Well, that's it. I'm going to put it and I'm going to blend it. It's a blend. And now I'm going to put this yellow ochre over here. It's a little bit broke, but don't you worry about it. I'm going to blend it again and leave a blank space, of course. These are going to be the middle tone, okay? So be careful with that. Oil pastels, I really love oil pastels because oil pastels are so simple to blend and give us some effect like it's painted, but it's not. Okay, for the last, we're going to use my yellow, and with yellow I'm going to seal it. For seal, I mean blend with all to create a paint effect. You're seeing? Interesting, isn't it? I'm giving life to this window. I live. Look at the stones. The blue has turned in some kind of green. That's pretty normal because, well, you already know the combination of the colors, so you know why. We almost finished. And blend in all the color, even in the spaces where I have done colored before. Be careful of not get into this. Yes. And now, for the last thing, we're going to take crayons. Yeah, crayons. Crayons are not just for the children. We use the crayons too much, believe it or not. And we're going to take, oh, my crayons are rebel with me. Okay, don't do that in home. I'm going to take different shades of colors, like those, to create a tree. First, I'm going to trace the wooden of a tree. Yeah. I'm going to reverse that with this color. Now, with yellow, I'm going to make a texture. With this color also. It's a green, but it's a clear green. It's a clear green. The deeper one, green. Yeah. Look how I'm doing this kind of leaves on the outsides of the trays. Are you liking it? Let me know. Yeah. And that, of course, I'm going to seal it with this color and a little bit of yellow. Why not? Oh, but I wanted to see like wet, so I'm gonna apply some blue. We have it. And then I'm going to use those. Oh, I really love that one. It's a water-based marker. With the water-based marker, we can create a lot of things. And we have a white crayon. You can take a white crayon for your little brother. I don't know. And then we're going to trace a lot of little stripes, but just in one side. Just in one side. Because you're going to have another kind of texture. And then with those blue markers, I'm going to fill it. Remember that when you're doing this, it's going to be at the same direction, okay? At the same direction. Let's do it quickly. Well, I'm going to do it quickly. You're going to do it at your own rhythm. Don't you worry about that. Remember, it needs to be a water-based marker. If you use an alcohol-based marker or an acrylic marker, it isn't going to be the same result. Yeah, because it's not going to get wet, of course. Don't you worry, cover all, even the tree. I need it to be with blue. Oh, it seems like it is a rainy day outside. But tell me, how is the homeschooling doing? Are you doing it well? I guess you can. Oh, I really missed you guys. Well, not really. It's just a joke. Of course that I missed you. Well, we almost finished. It's one left. Oh, sorry. Be careful of not get into this oil pastel, or you're going to do these stripes with oil pastel, and does not look static. Of course, it's not get combined or blend with my water-based marker, but you're going to put it in your artwork. Here you go. For the final step, I'm going to take my water with my brush and a little bit of water. And look, the water is opening the paint. And you got it. You have created a rainy landscape on a window. Crazy, isn't it? Well, if you want it to be more, you can put it there and you have your window. Let's see your window on a rainy day. Do you like it? I really love it. See you the next time. Do a lot of art.